Demonstration on the 2.5-inch paw print mold. This is a 3D mold from the Maker Shop. It consists of a bottom plate, a top plunger, and a shell. Take your shell and place it on top of your bottom plate. Begin filling. Give it a little shake to make sure all of your bath bomb mixture gets into the cracks and crevices. If you're concerned about your bath bomb floating or sinking, and you'd rather have it float, you could poke some holes into it with a chopstick, the back of a spoon, a straw, anything that you have at home. Continue filling all the way up to the top. Give it a little shake. If you want to level it off with your finger, you can. Take the top part of your plunger with the design down. And then we're just going to push. Give it a turn. Push. Give it a turn. Push. You can pick it up at this point. Get rid of all your excess. Take your spoon and give it some gentle taps all the way around the outside of the shell. You can give some taps on the top. Turn it over. Give some taps all the way around the outer rim of the plate. Now you can take the top plate and lift straight up. Take your fingers underneath, thumb on the top, push up on the plunger that's beneath. Take a piece of cardboard, place it on top of your bath bomb and turn it over. And now we're going to lift straight up on the plunger. And here is the 2.5-inch 3D paw print mold from the Maker Shop. As always, I'm going to link their Etsy shop and website down below so that you can purchase this and any other molds. Happy creating!